Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's. Today I'm shopping for iPhone 11 cases at Claire's online. My Claire's does not have iPhone 11 cases yet, but I noticed that they're popping up online, so I wanted to show you the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max cases that Claire's has. But I'm also going to show you the other size cases that they have, because they have so many cute ones on clairs.com. I think for the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, you should get a clear case, maybe with some glitter, so that the color of your phone can show through, because they have so many cute colors. iPhone 11 especially comes in like a green, purple, a red, a white. So, and there's one other color I think, but you definitely want to show off your pretty colors. So that's what I recommend. But they also have some really cute other cases. So I like the glitter, and I like the polka dot, and the love one over there is good for Valentine's Day. The peach one with the heart is super cute. I love the blue one with the blue roses. And of course the neon one, the neon leopard print, the one that looks like a camera, the unicorn one with leopard print is super cute. They have some that have a built-in like pop socket kind of ring holder. The marble ones are super pretty. So on the left you can click what kind of phone you have. So I'm going to just show you the iPhone 11 cases so that I don't forget to show you any of them. I think that one is my favorite because it's clear and I have a purple iPhone, so I want it to show through. But I also like this one with teal trim. So let me know which is your favorite. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.